Hello, this is Willa, and today I am bringing you a job for a customer service representative from a staffing company called Kforce. Kforce is hiring for a client in the healthcare industry, and they are seeking to add a number of remote customer service representatives to assist with an upcoming project to assist with the continued nationwide effort to combat the coronavirus. This role offers the opportunity to work 100% from home by way of a personal computer. This role also offers flexible schedule that runs Monday through Friday with no required weekends. It's an opportunity to maintain a steady paycheck in these uncertain economic times. There's a potential for longer-term future employment in future projects based on performance. Some of the main responsibilities for this position will be coaching members on health issues like blood pressure, scheduling appointments for tests, screenings. Training will be video and web-based. Strong customer service, call center data entry experience, and follow closely sets of outlined instructions and processes and procedures. Be able to communicate with patients and medical professionals regarding order status and possible information needed to resolve coverage issues. You obtain necessary patients' information to provide excellent customer service, and you'll be working independently with little to no supervision on goal-oriented projects. The requirements for this job: you must have a PC system with internet access. No Mac or Chromebook products will work. Computer system must have Internet Explorer 11 or later in order to operate, and must be open to working 40 hours per week. This is a full-time work-from-home job, and the pay for this position is $13.57 an hour. To apply for this work-from-home position at Kforce, I will leave the link below this video so you may apply if you so choose.